Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you all shortcut keys of Microsoft Word. Let's start with Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A is used to select all the content of Microsoft Word. Ctrl+B. B for bold. If you want to bold your content, simply press Ctrl+B. And if you want to unbold your content, again press Ctrl+B. Ctrl+C. C for copy. If you want to copy your content of Microsoft Word, select your content and then press Ctrl+C. Content is copied. And if you want to paste your copied content, press Ctrl+V. Ctrl+E. If you want to set your content in center of the page, select your content and press Ctrl+E. Ctrl+F. F for find. If you want to find a single word from your content in Microsoft Word, press Ctrl+F. In left sidebar, there is Navigator. Type your word in search box which you want to find. Ctrl+G. G for go to. Suppose you have open a book, and you want go to a specified page for reading. With the help of mouse scroller it is difficult to find your page. But if you want go to your page directly, by the use of keyboard, simply press Ctrl+G. A dialog box will open. In Go To, there is list of categories. First is page. Type the page number here, and press Next. Ctrl+H. If you want to replace a word with another word, you can use Ctrl+H. When you press Ctrl+H, a dialog box will open. There are two sections. First is Find What, and second is Replace With. In Find What, type a word which you want to replace, and in Replace With, type word which you want right on the place of Find Word, and then click on Replace All. Content is replaced. Ctrl+I. If you want to write your word in Italic Font, select your word, and press Ctrl+I. Ctrl+J. J for Justify. Suppose I have a paragraph. You can see lines are not equals. But if you want equal lines in length, select U paragraph, and simply press Ctrl+J. Ctrl+K. If you want link a word with another document file, you can use Ctrl+K. Suppose I have a blank page. When I press Ctrl+K, a dialog box will open with the name of Insert Hyperlink. In Text to Display, write a word which you want to display on the screen, and then in Look In select a file which you want to link, and click OK. You can see word is linked. Ctrl+L. Align text left. Suppose I write hello word in blank page, and press Ctrl+E. Now it is in center. But if I want to set it on the left side of the page, select it, and press Ctrl+L. Ctrl+N. If you want to create a new document, simply press Ctrl+N. New document is created. Ctrl+O. If you want to open another document, press Ctrl+O. Select your saved document, and click Open. Ctrl+P. P for print. If you want to print out your document, press Ctrl+P. Type the number of copies, and click on Print. Ctrl+R. Align text right. Suppose I write hello word in blank page, and press Ctrl+E. Now it is in center. But if I want to set it on the right side of the page, select it, and press Ctrl+R. Ctrl+S. S for Save. It is used for save document. Ctrl+W. Used for close document. If you want to close your document, press Ctrl+W. Ctrl+X. Used for cut data. If you want cut unnecessary data, select your data. and press Ctrl X. Ctrl plus Y. It is used for repeat word. For example, I write hello. Now I want repeat it. Press Ctrl Y. Ctrl plus Z. Used for undo. If you delete text by mistake, press Ctrl Z. Hope so this video is also useful for you. Like this video and share it with others. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you.